Adventure Pulse welcomes you to another fascinating journey into the world of nature. Today, we're diving into the intriguing lives of frogs. These amphibians are more than just the croaking creatures you hear on summer nights. Stick around to uncover some incredible facts about frogs that you may never have known before. Frogs are known for their incredible jumping abilities, but did you know they can jump up to 20 times their body length? This astounding feat is made possible by their powerful hind legs and specialized muscles. Their muscles function like springs, storing energy and releasing it in a burst, propelling them into the air. One of the most astonishing aspects of frogs is their skin. Unlike most animals, frogs drink and breathe through their skin. This process, called cutaneous respiration, allows them to absorb oxygen directly from the water or air. Their skin must remain moist to facilitate this exchange, which is why frogs are often found in damp environments. Additionally, some frogs secrete toxins through their skin as a defense mechanism against predators. The poison dart frog, for example, produces enough toxin to kill up to 10 humans. Frogs undergo a fascinating transformation called metamorphosis. They start life as eggs, which hatch into tadpoles. Tadpoles are aquatic and breathe through gills. As they grow, they develop legs, their tails recede, and they develop lungs to breathe air. This dramatic change allows them to transition from water to land, making them one of the most adaptable creatures in the animal kingdom. Have you ever wondered how frogs communicate? Frogs are known for their distinctive calls, which vary widely among species. These calls serve various purposes, from attracting mates to marking territory. Male frogs have vocal sacs that inflate like balloons, amplifying their calls to make them louder and travel farther. Some species have calls that can be heard up to a mile away. Frogs have an incredible sense of vision. Their eyes are positioned on the top of their heads, giving them a wide field of view. This adaptation allows them to see in almost all directions without moving. Frogs can see well in low light conditions, making them excellent hunters at night. Interestingly, frogs can see in color even in near darkness, a rare ability in the animal kingdom. Another remarkable fact about frogs is their regenerative capabilities. Frogs can regenerate lost body parts, such as legs. This ability is particularly pronounced in the tadpole stage, where they can regrow tails and even parts of their eyes. Scientists are studying this regenerative process to gain insights into potential medical advancements for humans. Frogs have a unique way of eating. They use their long, sticky tongues to capture prey. When a frog spots a potential meal, it flicks out its tongue at lightning speed, catching the prey and pulling it into its mouth. This entire process happens in a fraction of a second, making frogs some of the fastest eaters in the animal world. Did you know that some frogs can survive freezing temperatures? Certain species, like the wood frog, have adapted to survive in cold climates. During the winter, these frogs enter a state of suspended animation, where their bodies freeze solid. They produce a natural antifreeze substance that prevents ice crystals from forming in their cells, allowing them to thaw out and resume normal activities once temperatures rise. Frogs have been around for a long time. Fossil evidence shows that frogs have existed for over 200 million years, dating back to the time of the dinosaurs. This long history makes them one of the oldest groups of vertebrates alive today. Their resilience and adaptability have allowed them to survive through numerous changes in the Earth's climate and environment. Some frog species exhibit remarkable parental care. For example, the male Darwin's frog carries the eggs in his vocal sac until they hatch. The Suriname toad takes it a step further, with the female embedding fertilized eggs into the skin on her back. The eggs develop into tadpoles and eventually into fully formed frogs, at which point they emerge from the mother's skin. Frogs play a crucial role in the ecosystem. They are both predators and prey, maintaining a balance in the food chain. Frogs help control insect populations, making them natural pest controllers. Their presence indicates a healthy environment, as they are sensitive to changes in their surroundings. Unfortunately, frog populations worldwide are declining due to habitat destruction, pollution, and climate change. Protecting frogs and their habitats is essential for maintaining ecological balance. Finally, frogs have inspired many cultures and myths. In ancient Egypt, the frog was a symbol of fertility and rebirth. In Chinese culture, the frog is considered a symbol of good luck and prosperity. Native American tribes have stories that depict frogs as rainbringers, essential for crop growth and sustenance. Frogs are truly remarkable creatures, full of surprises and unique adaptations. From their incredible jumping abilities and regenerative powers to their vital role in ecosystems and cultural significance, frogs are much more than meets the eye. So next time you hear the familiar croak of a frog, take a moment to appreciate the wonder and diversity of these amazing amphibians. Thanks for joining us on this episode of Adventure Pulse. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more fascinating facts from the natural world. See you next time.